This is the Chapter 9, Day 3 lesson. So our teaching point is today I'm going to teach you how to use angle properties to justify how to find unknown angle measures. And again, this teaching point, you're going to be doing some work from your book to get that down, but there are some key terms that we're going to need to make sure we know. So the first term is corresponding angles. So they are angles that have the same relative position. Angles that have the same relative position when parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Okay, so there's some terms inside there that we don't even know. So I'm going to start with drawing parallel lines. So there's my parallel lines, so they would never meet. A transversal is just any line that cuts across them. So I'm going to draw it this way. Now when I do that, I have a lot of angles. Angle 1, 2, I'm going to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's see if we can name these corresponding angles. So they're angles that have the same relative position when parallel lines are cut by a transversal. So it's saying if I took this top line and slid it onto this bottom line, what angle would match with 1? 1 and 5 are in the same relative position of the parallel lines. This is in the upper left corner, this is upper left corner of this line. So corresponding angles would be angle 1 and angle 5. Means they have the same measure. Angle 2 and angle 6 is another example. I could say angle 3 and angle 7. And I could say angle 4 and angle 8. And they have the same measure. So that would be probably my question. Do corresponding angles have the same measure? And yes, they do. Okay, and the only other thing, this one's fairly simple. I'm not even going to give these last two anything. They're angles that make a circle. They're always equal to 360 degrees. So I'm going to just draw intersecting lines here. They're all going to intersect at the same vertex. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I took, I'm going to write this underneath, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, I know that altogether that would equal 360 degrees. It makes one complete circle. We know circles are 360 degrees. That's the